Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Allahumma salli ala Muhammad wa ala ali Muhammad wa barik wa sallim. Viewers, today we are going to share a very important and unique recipe for how to make special cake for the special birthday. To start with the cake, we need about 8 eggs, and they will be enough to make a 2-pound cake. We will separate the egg white and egg yolk from all the eggs. To separate the egg yolk and egg white, we will stroke the egg with the help of knife, and we will try to keep the egg yolk inside the broken shell of the egg, and the egg white will fall down in the bowl automatically, and then we will transfer the egg yolk to another bowl. After breaking all the 8 eggs, we will beat them separately with the help of electric whisk. So to beat the eggs, they should be cold enough. To make them cold enough, we will put them in the fridge for about 30 to 40 minutes. And when we will beat them with the cold temperature of the egg yolk and egg white, they will become thick very quickly and very easily, and will be thick enough. On the other hand, if they will be at the room temperature, they will not thick enough, and which will disturb the cake shape. So after breaking and putting them in the fridge, later we will whisk the egg yolk separately. After beating the egg yolk for about 1 minute with the high speed whisk, we will add about 2 tablespoons sugar, and the sugar will help in egg yolk to become more thick. And then we will add a teaspoon vanilla essence to the egg yolk, and we will beat it, until its size is more than double and it becomes very thick. After beating the egg yolk, we will put back in the fridge for about 10 minutes, and then we will start to beat the egg whites. So egg whites should also be cold, and after beating it with the whisk for about 1 minute, we will add a tablespoon of sugar, and total we will add 8 tablespoons sugar to the egg white, and we added 2 tablespoons sugar to the egg yolk. So when the egg white became thick and more than double in size. We will mix the egg yolk to the egg white in one bowl, and we will just mix them slightly with the help of spatula, and we will not over mix it. So after mixing it, we will add all-purpose flour, about 95 gram, or 5 tablespoons, and about 55 gram corn flour, or about 3 tablespoons, with the help of strainer. And then we will add 5 tablespoons melted butter, and then we will mix it. So the corn flour, all-purpose flour, and the melted butter mix up equally in the batter, and then our cake batter will be ready to go in the oven. So to put it in the oven, we will transfer the cake batter to the cake molding pot, and we can put one butter paper, and we will pour all the cake batter to the pot. After transferring all the cake batter, we will put it in the preheated oven at 175 degrees centigrade for about 25 to 30 minutes. While putting it in the oven, we will make it sure that we are not using any additional tray in the oven, and we will just leave the cake former on the floor of the oven, and then close it and wait until 25 to 30 minutes. After about 25 to 30 minutes, your cake will be ready, and we will take it out from the oven, and it will be giving a wonderful smell with a very beautiful color and texture. So we will transfer the cake to the plate so that we can put some cream on the cake. So before putting the cake, we can just examine the cake, how it look like, and is it baked all together. So we will just cut it with the help of the knife, and its texture is completely soft and seems to be cooked and baked from the inside as well, with wonderful smell and aroma. So now our cake is ready to put cream on it, and we will leave it for about 1 hour at the room temperature, so it should be cold enough to have the cream on it. To put cream on the cake, we take milk cream that is about 36% fat, and we'll whisk the milk cream at high speed for about 1 minute, and then we will add about 2 teaspoons vanilla essence to enhance the taste of the cream. And to make it more sweetened, we will need to add about 3 tablespoons sugar, and we'll just whisk the cream until it becomes thick, and we will not overmix the cream, and when it is thick enough we'll stop it, and we'll take out about 4 tablespoons of cream to the cookie maker, so that we can use the cream to make some shapes on the cake, and the remaining cream we can just paste on the cake. So just by simply pasting the cream on the cake surface become ready to apply any designing on the cake, or for any writing, etc. And to add additional things to the cake, we can put some cherries or strawberries or pineapple on the top of the cream, and we can write anything on the top of the cake. So we'll just paste all the cream on all the sides of the cake, and then we will just label the cream on the cake with the help of big knife. And after labeling the cream on the cake, we can just make it a bit more beautiful and rough look. We'll just brush on the surface of the cake. So the surface will look a bit rough and not too much plain. So after applying all the cream on the cake, we can just put some design on the edges of the cake with the help of cookie maker, so that our cake can look more beautiful. So it depends on the requirement which design you like, so you can make any design with the help of the cream, while the base of the cake will be the same, and having the cream on the cake will be the same, and just the design will be the different. So after applying cream on the edges, we can just write here, as this cake is for our channel Move and Food, we'll just write Move and Food. We hope you like this recipe. Please try it, and please subscribe our channel, and like, share and comment. Thanks for watching.